What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan Vaquero. Guys, this is the walk around video. This bike's super clean. It was brought here in the snow, so it's got, like, not in the snow, but when there was snow on the ground, so it looks like a little bit of salt. Got up on it. Slight scuff there on the back. See that? It needs. I wiped it down pretty good. There's tiny little stuff. Sometimes I get sunk back in there, but I got it, most of it pretty good. It does have this like snake skin pattern on the seat. This bike's in really good shape, guys. I think it has right around like 5,000 miles. Tank is in amazing shape. It's got these big old highway bars, which actually need to be turned down. I don't know how you would use it at that same angle. It's all in really good shape though. It does have the ABS with the K-Act. It has got really good tread on the tires. It's got the black lowers. It does have a light kit on it as well. First thing I do is rip this stupid windshield off and put like a short black one on. But that's just me. 6-speed transmission, obviously. Let's see, issues with this bike. This thing is in amazing shape. Passenger lights. I love it. It's got this black stripe going down the side of it. If you can see, it actually starts here on the tank and goes the whole way to the back. It's on the left hand side of the bike, as you can see. It's pretty cool. It's got Vance & Hines on the back, so it sounds really good. I'm not seeing a whole lot of flaws. That little scuff on the back seat, on the back fender, but everything else looks really good. I got a tiny little scuff right there, if you can see that. Let's see, let's get this piece fired up. Man, demonetization. The aftermarket air cleaner as well. Kind of looks like Arlen Ness. It's got 5,385 miles on it. Guys, like I said, oh, and it does have this really upgraded Infinity sound system. That's a big upgrade that I definitely need to point out. Is there something in the bags? Let's see. Nope, nothing in the bags. Cool, guys. Like I said, 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan Vaquero with ABS. I think they call it like K-Act. What? ABS and then, I don't know if it's the same thing. Well, like I said, guys, this bike, it's in awesome shape. It's got that little scuff on the rear fender. It's got that two-tone like snakeskin black seat, but it's all black. It's got that cool stripe down the side. Guys, this is a great bike. Upgraded sound system. It's not going to last long. It's got the SSD bar and the luggage rack. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to check out both channels as well as check out the test drive video on this bike. Thanks so much for watching, guys.